Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. Hello friends, Pandit Joshi here. Today I will share information regarding transition of Gurudev Brihaspati in Makar Rashi from 20th November 2020. Shanidev is already there in its own house to welcome Gurudev. Here Gurudev becomes debilitated, but due to Shanidev's presence in its own house, Gurudev will be giving results of exaltic. Gurudev will give the results as it is exaltic. I mean, Gurudev will give very good results. From this house, Gurudev will aspect the Rahu Dev, which is also good sign for all rasis. How this Gurudev will affect all the rasis today, I will share the informations. Please look the video till the end. In the end, I have given the remedies for reducing the malefic results of Gurudev or to get the blessings of Gurudev. Third is the Mithun Rashi. For Mithun Rashi, Gurudev passes through your 8th house. It is not good for you in some respects. This transition of Gurudev in 8th house will increase your income as well as expenses. Especially you will do expenses which may not be needed or the expenses which will be worthless. These unwanted expenses may be due to medicals, hospitals, or in vehicles, properties, property renovations, purchase of new or old vehicles, or repairing of your vehicles. These depends upon one's birth chart. During this period, you may have to take responsibility of someone and you have to spend your money, time, etc. Ultimately, this responsibility will make your loss. Though during this period, some work related to foreign deals or business related work will improve and you will get good news from foreign. This is good period for resolutions of family problems. There will be good relations in your family members. Also there is chance of increase in your family members either by marriage of son or daughter or a childbirth in your family. Your speech will be effective and you will convince everyone in general. Your income will increase, but you cannot make it as your savings because there are chances of purchase of property, land, vehicle, either new or old. Now all this depends upon one's birth chart. During this time, you may be inclined towards occult science. You may feel peace in mantra, yoga, prayers. You will become spiritual. Now, if your Saturn and Jupiter are in good positions in your chart, then you can achieve a height in spiritual life. Also, in the same time, health of your mother may improve. For students, they will complete their graduations. Depending upon one's birth nakshatra. I have put in display slides of time duration, birth nakshatra and how Gurudev gives results during that period. If you see the table, you will be able to find the period during which the time is favorable or not. If the time is favorable, you can get the good results in your favor, you can achieve your goals. If the time is not favorable, then you have to wait, your struggle may increase, you have to work hard. Now, to improve the blessings of Gurudev or to reduce the malefic results of Gurudev, some remedies. First, chant Om Gang Gurudev Namaha. Second, chant Om Gram Grim Grom Sa Guruve Namaha every day. Third, donate turmeric, jaggery or yellow cloths, yellow flowers or sweets, preferably yellow, on Thursday evening. This is general prediction for your Rashi. If you want to consult, you can contact on our numbers. For outstations or other country people, telephonic consultancy is also available. If you find the video helpful to you, please like, share and subscribe our channel. Please do not forget to push the bell button. May God bless you and your life become happy and prosperous. Thank you for watching the video and please wait for the new topic on YouTube.